Hello po, I'm Nebiel Arceo from BSECE 3D and we will be doing the MATLAB exercise number 4 which is entitled Time Response. So the objective of this laboratory is to plot the response of different second order systems. So this is our laboratory manual guide. Number 1, number 2. Bale, ito po yung codes na ginamit natin. So, bali dito sa number 1, which is second order system response, yung middle number sa denominator papalitan lang. So, starting from 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bali, mamaya papakita ko yung results. Ayan. Ito naman yung codes natin for number 2. Bale, ito po yung results ng number 1 natin. Ayan, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. As you can see po, after increasing the value of the middle term of the denominator from 0 to 9, the oscillation decreases po. Ito naman po yung results natin sa number 2. As you can see, as the denominator of each of the transfer functions decreases, the oscillations increases naman po. In conclusion, the MATLAB exercise focus on analyzing and plotting the time response of various second-order systems. By examining the response of systems with different damping ratios and natural frequencies, we gained insights into their dynamic behavior and how they react to different input signals. Through plotting and analysis, we were able to observe the impact of system parameters on its transient and steady-state responses, providing valuable insights for system design and control. That would be all. Thank you.